So I'd encourage you, if you live in or connected to a region prone to climate risk, think this week about what backup systems you have: family, finances, home, mindset. All right, let's shift gears to health and social undercurrents. Health issues often don't make big headlines until they're crisis level, but their effects are real. For example, diseases like mpox remain present and require vigilance. On society and culture, when the global economy tightens and conflict and climate risk rises, the pressure builds. Community cohesion, social safety nets, mental health all get stressed. And that's where you and I come in, building the inner structure so that when the outer world shakes, you stand firm. Okay, so now let's bring it home, right? What does all this global noise mean for you? First, awareness is power.